warms my heart, I can make somebody laugh by making a fool of myself. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm at work, although work has already ended, but I'm taking a break. I love to listen to Chinese songs, so I am about to listen to one to relax, to calm my spirits. It's very soothing. Chinese songs are very soothing, and I love to listen to it. So I feel like I want to sing this song and share it with you. I am not a singer though. I'm not a singer. I'm just proud of myself because I can actually pronounce the words somewhat. Do not judge me based upon my singing. It's just merely for entertainment purpose. So let's go. The song is called where you go? Where did you go? Sorry guys, I'm coming. Yue Ding by Guang Liang. So I don't know the song for by words, so I am going to, of course, look at the screen and follow the lyrics. Okay guys, let's go, let's do this. Hope you like it. Okay, here we go guys, let's go. 小猴子3年不见面，用我们的爱把时间留住，你手着手，是手腕的开眼，我们的约定。就这样，我面着泪，我还是回到这个地方，闭上眼等你的出现。空气中为了年底了，我还记得我们的约定，一辈子幸福的约定。为你写的那首歌，它也偷偷你掉泪了。我还记得我们的约定。我被以前爱给爱你了，连那风都笑我了。我现在会告诉你的，我更爱你了。What do you think, guys? Guys, look at my eyes. I'm so tired. So tired. 就这样，3年又过了，我还是回到这个地方，背上羊等你的出现，空中中为你点亮，我还记得我们的约定，一辈子幸福的约定。为你写那首歌，它也偷偷你掉泪了。我还记得我们的约定，我比以前爱给爱你了，连那风都笑我了。我现在会告诉你的。我会记得我们的约定，一辈子幸福的约定。为你写你那首歌，再也偷偷的掉泪了。我会记得我们的约定，我被以前爱给爱你了。听着风，我也学了，在一定会告诉你的，我更爱你了。 Oh God, I don't know why I'm laughing, but it feels sweet. I have no real explanation, but I just feel so freaking happy. Thank you guys. Thank you as always for watching. Just for sharing your time with me. So that's it. I'm going back to work. So remember, if you like it, remember to subscribe, share, and comment. See you later, guys. Toodles. Bye-bye. Guys, I want to leave this with you today. Just think about why you should be grateful, why you should be thankful. The mere fact that I'm here sharing my time with you and you're watching, I'm thankful for that. I'm so grateful that you took the time out to come and watch me make a fool of myself on camera. But guess what? It feels good. It feels good that I can make a fool of myself and laugh. It really feels good. It warms my heart, you know. I can make somebody laugh by making a fool of myself. Singing a Chinese song that, if you ask me, I don't know the meaning of the song, but I know it's a love song because I understand parts of it. It's talking about love, but in details, I don't really know. But it feels good. But seriously, guys, just look back on your life now and where you're coming from and where you want to go. And just think about it. And you have a lot of reasons to be grateful. And no matter where you are in life today, trust me, it could have been worse. So bless up yourself and thank God and continue to be grateful. Be proud of where you are today. Enjoy your day. Enjoy each day like it's your last. So guess what? It's your girl Nikki. I'm hot. Bye bye.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun.